Orion Harvester and the GDPR. John Johnson, CFO of an insurance company. John is a busy guy. Stephen is an official at a regulatory agency. Stephen just called John to say that he'll be visiting him within a week to see if John's company complies with GDPR. John goes through all the facts in his mind. A week? Is Stephen kidding? GDPR rules apply to all companies worldwide that offer goods or services within the EU market. GDPR says that if your company leaks information about any person and puts them at risk, you have to notify the authorities and your customers within 72 hours. So you don't have any leaks in your system. If a company doesn't comply with GDPR rules, authorities will be able to issue fines of up to 4% of global annual turnover. John needs a visual map of his IT environment to get insight. Who can help him? Maybe Orion. John calls to set a meeting with Orion to talk about Harvester. Can our IT systems handle all that? What if there was a tool that could just fix it automatically? Automation is essential in a disruptive world where technology is changing faster and traceability of personal data is of the essence. When making the right decisions, you need to have complete insight of all critical business information assets within your corporation. What kind of data assets do you have? How are your data assets connected? Where do you store personal data? Can you delete it? Simplicity is the key to success. Getting all the information you need automatically without the time and risk of manually interfering with your IT systems. Set up from legacy to AI with tools that are easy to get started with, easy to maintain, easy to use. How? Introducing the 3 simple steps of Orion Harvester. Step 1. Define. Define which parts of your information assets you need to understand to control your business. Information assets are all your resources of information, such as databases, file servers, email, etc. Step 2. Upload. Information systems can be complicated with data connections, application layers, and customizations. We don't have to touch your system or your data. Just upload your information assets, leaving the data behind. That's all we need. We'll handle all of your information assets. Step 3. Harvest. The Orion Harvester analyzes your entire IT environment and creates a complete map of your information assets, regardless of what you have. The Orion Harvester will also give you the insight you need to find and control personal data in accordance with GDPR. John lets Orion run the Harvester for a few hours. Orion Magic. John is a happy guy, and so is Stephen at the regulatory agency. With Orion Harvester, you will do it once and do it right. Get reusability. Embrace disruption.